In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in and sign out on Stripe.com as per the 2025 guide. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step process is designed to help you confidently navigate your account. First, open your web browser and head over to the Stripe website by typing stripe.com into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you will notice the Sign In button located towards the top right corner. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Start by typing in your registered email address. Make sure you double check for any typos. Next, move on to the password field. Carefully enter your password, ensuring to match the required character case since passwords are case sensitive. Once your email and password are correctly filled in, click the Sign In button to access your account. It's important to note that if you're new to Stripe or have enabled two-step verification, you might receive a code via your registered method, typically an authenticator app or text message. You'll need to input this code into the website to complete your login process. This step adds an additional layer of security to keep your account information safe. After successfully logging in, you're all set to use your Stripe dashboard. This platform is rich with features that allow you to manage your payments, view transactions, and access analytics. Feel free to explore these options based on your needs. When you're ready to sign out, perhaps at the end of your session for security reasons, you can easily do so by navigating to your profile. You'll typically find this option in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Clicking your profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Simply select Sign Out from the list. This ensures your session is properly closed and secures your account from unauthorized access if you're on a shared or public device. Ensuring that you both sign in and sign out correctly can help maintain the security of your account data. Remember to always log out, especially if you're logging in from a device that others might have access to. If you encounter any issues during the process, Stripe's support offers comprehensive assistance and troubleshooting guides. There you have it, a complete walkthrough on signing in and out of your Stripe account. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now more confident in managing your Stripe account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.